In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a domain from one Squarespace site to another Squarespace site. It's very simple and straightforward to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get it all correct. So let's get right into the video. So there are two main ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both of them today. So the first thing we want to do is go to the website that we want to remove the domain from. So let's say this one here is the one. What we would do is we'd go over here to the three dots, and we go over to the settings tab on the website. Now once we're in this bit here, we're going to go to the left and we're going to go to domain and email. And then we're going to go over to domains. Now if you've got a domain on the site, it will pop up here. And you'll be able to click on the domain to check the settings of it. Once you click on the domain that you want to move, it's going to have a button at the bottom that says move domain to another site. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on that button there. And once you've clicked on that button, it will ask you what domain or what site you want to move that domain to. So select the site that you want to go ahead and move your domain to, and it should move it over pretty quickly. It can take a little bit of time for that to go ahead and work, but it should move it across pretty quickly. So that's the first way to do it. Now, if you can't see those buttons there, then the other way you can do it is quite simple. So we'll go back into the dashboard and we can go over to domains here. Now, equally, what you'll have is your domains here. You can click on one and it's going to allow you to change the site which is associated to that domain. So that is basically how you go about doing it. Now, as you can see, it's actually quite straightforward to do, but it might be in a different place depending on what version of Squarespace you're on. So make sure to check around both methods to see if your domains are on this bit or if you can go to the settings section and find it there. But that is basically how you go about doing it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe, and also comment that it did help you out so other people can see the same video and get the same great advice. One more thing, if you want me to make a tutorial on anything else, let me know down below and I'll do my best to make it.